What's up, guys? We're here in the garage. We're going to do a little install. Today, we're going to be putting on some Thrashin Supply Company P54 foot pegs on the 2014 Dyna Low Rider. We're going to show you, this is pretty easy. If you have any garage savvy at all, this is easy at all, as it can be. So we've already pre-assembled the P54 onto the clevis. It has an ARP bolt inside there. We've put some blue Loctite on it. We're going to set it right in here on the holder. We've already removed the T45 screw and the lock washer or the lock nut that holds it on your factory pegs, and we're going to slide this right out. We're going to retain this spacer because we still need to use it because we want everything to remain a snug fit.
So after a little bit of persuasion with the spacer and a screwdriver, you get it back in. As you can see, Dad's got it lined right back up. He's screwing that Torx bolt through there now, and then you just go and come back with your little lock nut or nylon nut. I would say with the nylon nut you don't have to, but we always suggest blue Loctite on everything.
Just read your specs. They'll tell you what to use, but we did put some blue Loctite on the clevis. It's a P54 like we said earlier. We're just running this through. It's threaded all the way through. And then we will use the two of us. It makes situating that foot peg a whole lot easier. Now I'm working around the shifter lever on this side. This is the tighter side. It's going to be, it's okay. It's going to be the same application on the other side. It's not anything hard. You just take your time. Now we're ready to put on this Ilex washer. And we're going to hold that with this box end wrench, if we can get a hold of it. If you have some battery tools, you could use this. We actually have a battery powered ratchet, but it was wanting to fight us a little bit, so we went the old way. We went some old school. Just because I'm not big in replacing things that I've stripped and tore up. So right now all we got to do is lock this foot peg into place. I'm going to get this arranged. We'll get it in here on the 12-point ARP bolt. And I'm going to sit on here and let Xander tighten that down when I get it to where I want it. Alright guys, so you can see we've got the P54 pegs installed. We're already running the thrashing shift lever. Again, this was pretty easy. You just got to make sure things get tightened down to spec. Use some blue Loctite on the ARP bolt to the clevis. If you want to check your torque specs in your manual, feel free. But yeah, I love the look of these. It gives me a little bit wider place to put my foot. We're going to wait to put some miles on this thing and go. But yeah, quality stuff, made in America, straight from Thrashin Supply. We appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys next time.